To send money using Google Pay, first ensure the service is available in your country and that you have a stable internet connection. Then, launch the Google Pay app on your mobile device and navigate to the menu, where you'll click on Send or Request, and then tap on Search. You can find the recipient by searching for their name, email, or phone number. Once you've selected the contact, click the Pay button and enter the payment amount, which must be within the allowed Google Pay limits. You can also add a note to describe the payment. Next, select your payment method or add a new one if needed. Finally, click Pay to complete the transaction. Note that the recipient must also have the Google Pay app to appear in the search list. If they don't, they'll receive an alert to claim the payment within 7 days, after which the request will expire. The process is straightforward, and following these steps allows you to easily send money using Google Pay.